Have you ever wondered why cats have whiskers? It's not just for their adorable charm. Whiskers serve as a crucial tool in a cat's navigation system, lending them a kind of sixth sense to measure gaps and spaces. They're like built-in rulers that help our feline friends gauge whether they can fit through tight spots. But that's not all. Whiskers also act as mood indicators. If you see a cat's whiskers pulled back, it could be a sign of fear or aggression. There's more to these furry feelers though. Cats can experience what's known as whisker fatigue. This happens when their whiskers are overused, leading to sensory overload. It's like a constant barrage of information that can make them irritable. So if you notice your cat's whiskers are constantly touching something, like the sides of their food bowl, it might be causing them some discomfort. So next time you see your cat's whiskers pulled back, it might be feeling a bit overwhelmed. Ever noticed your cat purring when it's not exactly happy? Yes, that's right. A cat's purr is not just an expression of joy or contentment. It's also a response to pain or distress. It's almost as if our feline friends have their own built-in healing system. So how does this work? Well, scientists have some theories. They believe that the frequency of a cat's purr, which typically falls between 25 and 150 Hz, may have therapeutic properties. These vibrations can promote tissue regeneration and even help mend broken bones. It's fascinating, isn't it? Your cat's purr could be serving a dual purpose, providing comfort and initiating healing. It's like they have their own little purring pharmacy. So next time you hear your cat purring, remember, it's not just a sign of a content kitty. It could be a healing mechanism in action. Who knew that a cat's purr could be such a powerful healing tool? Does your cat seem to have its own unique language? If so, you're not alone in this feline phenomenon. Cats communicate in a myriad of ways, and one of the most fascinating is through their vocalizations. Each cat has its own set of sounds, almost like a personal dialect, that they use to interact with their humans. A remarkable study revealed that cats don't just randomly meow. They harness their vocal prowess to develop a unique vocabulary. This is their way of reaching out, of sharing their emotions, their needs, and their whims with you. And here's the kicker, they use these vocalizations more with humans than with each other. But wait, there's more. Cats are such clever communicators that they can even mimic the tone of their owner's voice. Yes, you heard it right. Your cat is not just speaking to you, but it's also doing so in a voice that's familiar and comforting. Your cat may be speaking to you in a language only you can understand. Did you know that cats have a special organ for analyzing scents? Tucked away on the roof of their mouth is a hidden treasure known as the Jacobson's organ, or the vomeronasal organ. This organ is the secret weapon in a cat's olfactory arsenal, allowing them to detect and analyze pheromones, those chemical signals that carry crucial information between individuals of the same species. You may have seen your feline friend engaging in a peculiar behavior called the Flehmen response. This is when they curl back their lips, exposing the Jacobson's organ to the world. It might look like a grimace, but it's actually a highly specialized scent analysis in progress. By doing this, your cat is essentially tasting the air, gathering valuable information about their environment and other animals. So, the next time you see your cat making that funny face, remember, they're not just being goofy. They're using their Jacobson's organ, their very own sixth sense. With the Jacobson's organ, cats truly have a sixth sense. Can you identify a cat by its whiskers or nose print? Just as each person has a unique set of fingerprints, every cat has a unique pattern of whiskers and nose print. This is a fascinating aspect of feline individuality. The arrangement and pattern of their whiskers, for instance, is distinct to each cat. These tactile hairs, with their unique layout, can potentially be used to identify a particular feline, much like we use human fingerprints. But it doesn't stop at whiskers. You see, the ridges and bumps on a cat's nose also create a distinctive pattern. This nose print, again, is unique to each individual cat. It's another feature that contributes to the identification aspect of felines, further emphasizing their individuality. Just like us, every cat has its own unique set of identifiers. Now, isn't that something special? So the next time you find yourself marveling at your feline friend, remember, they are not just adorable, they are truly one of a kind.